They're all feeling the beat and on a bike. They're gonna be romping, they're gonna be stomping tonight. Real jazz is for the folks who feel jazz, and real jazz is what the band is doing. And if you think we're playing a Charlie Parker tune, I'm almost certain that you wanna be wrong, folks, cause Orleans have a favorite song, folks. If you want to take me where the music is hot, who do you got? Pull my coat, and I'll make a note to be there. We'll stick around to dig the sound until it gives us everything that it has. Stick with me around 3:15, then after an hour, we bang on the door down in Harold's House of Jazz.
Tas paskrēja tā kā 1 sekundīte, ārprātīgi ātri. Un es vēl joprojām tā kā neaptveru, kur es īsti atrodos. Šis ir mans pirmais lielais konkurss, un es nezinu. Tas bija fantastiski, fantastiska mūzika, fantastiska atmosfēra, fantastiska vieta un lieliska visa tā jūsu darbošanās un atbalstīšana. Paldies! Tas bija forši!
Ba